Which ones?
One is about Swami Rama. Do we believe in his teachings?
What is the use of teachings? You have had many. You have had Christ, He's given you the Bible. There's so many we have had. Now no more teachings, actualization. Ask for actualization. What else?
Paramahansa Yogananda and his teachings about Kriya Yoga, which he says is the quickest technique for self-realization.
I said.
No, Yogananda.
He might have said it, but nobody has got it so far. Now what is Kriya Yoga? Sahaja Yoga is a Kriya. Kriya means, what you call Kriya in English? Action. Kriya is action. And Sahaja Yoga, a Kriya, no action. Now Kriya Yoga is like this. Yesterday I explained to some people who asked me that when your cart starts, when it is ignited, then automatically all the machinery starts working, automatically. You don't have to move anything. It's all built in. But Kriya Yoga is this, that you don't start the car, you don't start the Kundalini, but you start moving the wheels. First time when I came, I was very shocked. Now they have stopped all that nonsense because I think there was some sort of a stricture on that. They used to cut the tongue, this thread of the tongue. And I saw some Indian doctors with their tongues wagging like that. I said, what has happened? They couldn't speak. So they told me that we have cut our threads because we have to push back our tongue and get to the khechari condition. Now khechari is a simple thing which is described, of course is a part of Sahaja Yoga only, that when the Kundalini rises, the centers first of all allow the Kundalini to rise, and then they augment. Then again they relax, the higher ones, and then they augment because they have to stop the Kundalini from falling down. It's a simple thing like that. In the same way, when it reaches Vishuddhi Chakra, here also, what happens when Kundalini rises higher? There is a big augmentation that takes place and the tongue is pulled inside, which you don't feel normally. You won't feel because Kundalini rises like a jet these days. So, what they did was to cut the tongue and put it there. But the Kundalini is sitting in the sacrum bone only. What's the use? So the whole Kriya Yoga is like moving your wheels while the car has not started. It's very easy to talk of these things because in India these books are available, you can read them. I know of people, there was an actress who came to my program when I came in 71. There are so many people who came to my program. And also Dr. Chaudhary told me that you better get it copyright. I said there's no copyright needed for this kind of a thing, it's all right. And they are using my words, they're using the word Kundalini, they are using Mahayoga, they are using the words like self-realization, everything. I'm doing nothing about it, just making money. Sorry, what can I do about it? It is for you to decide. It is the actualization which you should ask. And this is what is this Kriya Yoga. I don't know why people are so impressed by his book. What has he written there? He went to Himalayas, he met one guru, so what? Anybody can do that. What is so great? What has he written? Why should it impress people? What has he done? Nothing. They have of course got a big place where they live and all that, that's all. I don't think anybody has got realization from them. They cannot. First the Kundalini has to be awakened.
Srimataji, this person asks, what is your relation to Babaji?
Who is this? Nothing. I am absolutely against him. That's all. It's another hoax. These are all hoax. Believe me. They are all hoax. Raman Maharshi was the realized soul, no doubt. Shirdi Sainath was a realized soul. Those who were realized, I'll say yes. Those who are not, I'll definitely say they are not. I have to say that. These Babajis, I have so experiences of these funny people. It's a long story. This Laidi Baba, Laidi Baba, the guru of this Yogananda, his grandson, he came to me and he said that I joined this Kriya Yoga, I did all kinds of things, I never got any realization or anything. So I was so fed up, then I went to this Krishnamurti, I was with him, but then I started speaking like Krishnamurti, just like his voice and everything. I started speaking, doing all the drama of Krishnamurti and everything. And then I got a fright. One day I saw myself in the mirror. I said, oh God, I'm becoming Krishnamurti. And I'm just giving lectures, that's all. So Mother, I have come to, please now give me realization. You'll be surprised, till today I have not been able to do that. This one person I have not been able to do. I don't know what all he has done. I told him, what all you have done, you tell me. Then he was telling me so many things about this Lahiri Baba and his Babaji. I said, Bapre, all these things they do to you? Horrible. So much they have harmed him, this man. He's the grandson of Lahiri Baba.
Shrimadaji, this person asks, what do you think of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Guru Gobind Singh?
Guru Nanak, of course. Guru Nanak was the incarnation of the primordial master, no doubt about it, no doubt. He talked of unity. He was the incarnation of the primordial master who has incarnated many a times as Moses, as Abraham, and also as he has been Muhammad Sahib, and then Guru Nanak, no doubt about it.